This is the problem with the freshly washed hair. Nothing stays on day 1 or day 2. No hairstyle. Oh my god. First step, hair out of my face. Now we can begin. First things first, as always, I use a facial mist onto my spray. Facial mist onto my spray. I definitely have forgotten how to speak and how to film. It has been too long, you guys. Let's start again. I am using this facial spray onto my face just to dampen it and prepare our skin for makeup. It is very important that your skin is ready before you start any makeup, all right? And for my primer, I am using my recent favorite, the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Just massage it all over my face. So with this primer, the trick is you just have to wait for a few seconds after the tackiness is gone. Then your skin will be ready for foundation. And just around my T-zone area, I will be using this Beauty Blender Primer. So I put it around my T-zone, around my nose. This is the area where I have prominent pores, so there is nothing in the world that can help you with your pores, so we have to tackle them with products like this. I forgot to put on my earrings. I love these hoops, you guys. These are from Misoma. These are such statement piece, like you wear just a plain outfit, pop on these hoops, and you are set. Moving on, color correction first, before I forget. I have forgotten this step quite a few times on this channel. So for foundation, today we are going to be trying out this brand new Dior Forever Neutral Nude Foundation. So if you guys have been following me for some time, the Dior Forever Original Foundation used to be my holy grail. Like, I would love that foundation for every day, for brides. I mean, that is such a flawless coverage giving foundation. So I'm going to be putting it at the back of my hand first. Ew, it's quite a thick texture, you guys. Oh, these hoops are not good while you're doing your makeup. I should have put it on later. Oh my god, beautiful. I mean, do you guys see the finish? It doesn't look too dewy because I don't know, for whatever reason my skin feels exceptionally dry today, but oh, it looks quite natural and it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face. I don't know what happened to me, but recently my makeup preference has changed so much. Like, I prefer wearing something quite light and natural, and which doesn't feel like heavy on my face, basically. All right, so for my concealer, this is the one that I have been reaching for when I want a really long wearing concealer. This is by Pamagrath. This one, oh my god, this is a glass bottle. I wouldn't recommend if you are planning to travel with it. It can crack. So for underneath my eyes, I am using the shade LM14, and a little bit goes a really long way with this concealer. So I'm going to put it just usual areas where I want to kind of create a highlighted effect. And after that, I will lock everything in with my all-nighter makeup setting spray by Urban Decay. Now, I remember before I wouldn't use a cream contour on an everyday basis, but now that COVID has given me quite a few kilos of weight, I want to chisel out my cheekbones a bit. So for that, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury, what do you call this? Contour wand. I'll just take it with a brush. Don't be scared. This blends into something really natural. At first it looks like, wow, that is too much. but when you blend it in, this gives you the most beautiful looking contour. I love this product. I think I've shared this with you before as well. Well, I haven't filmed for so long. I can't remember what I have shared and what I haven't. Right here and there. So putting your contour on top of your lips like this makes your lips look pouty and fuller. Do you see how fuller it looks here? My face actually feels quite matte and it doesn't feel like it needs to be set, but I want to set the underneath, the concealer underneath my eyes. Oh, I forgot to say what powder am I using. See, I am completely disoriented right now. So this is the powder that I have been using for so long. Like, it has been a good few months and I just haven't put it down. And it creates, I don't know if you can see it, it has created such a veil of airbrushed looking skin. I love this powder. I had it in the shade medium and guess what? It jumped from my hand one day and it shattered. I'm like, I just stood there for a good few seconds because this powder is expensive. Now to set my bronzer, I will be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in the shade 310. Usual places, underneath cheekbones, little bit up on the perimeters of my face, and whatever is left on the brush, just here at the side of your nose, like this. So this will create a very elongated shape of your nose. That's it. See, this bronzer looks so flawless. I really like this bronzer. Now before I do my highlight, I was trying to think like, what do we call that thing? I sprayed some spray on my face so that the highlight has something to grip onto and it lasts longer. So for my highlight today, I will be using this Natasha Denona I Need a Nude Glow highlight. Oh my god, this is completely washed out. But this is a really nice highlight, you guys. It's just a bit like you have to work your brush in here for good some time, but the effect it gives, it's worth it. Just look at it. Such a pretty highlighter. Oh my god. It was really difficult for me to pick and choose a blush because I love a blush heavy makeup. So I have been loving these Nude Sticks blushes. This is in the shade Body Language and this is the Nudies Matte. So the way I use it is, I use this kind of a sponge. This is by Sunday Ivy. These are the, I don't know what you call these, fiber. So the reason I like these sponges are because they do not soak up much product, and the way it applies, it doesn't mess with my foundation and concealer and other products which is already there on my face. You know what I mean? So I am applying the blush in a way today is like I'm applying it here and then I'm dragging it a little up so that it looks like elongated and it lifts my face. It doesn't look like very round shaped. And I will put some on top of my nose as well. So whatever is left on my nose, on the forehead, and a little bit, I'll take a little bit more on my chin. See that? How pretty it is, right? We are nearly done, nearly done. I just want to add a few little more things, you know, here and there to get that perfect look. Recently I got my hands on this one. This is by Natasha Denona. Oh my god, I mean, these, I'm really sorry guys, like every product that I'm trying to show you, see, it's all washed out because I'm sitting right in front of the window so it's washing it out. So this is the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow palette. This is how it looks like, and these two powders, you will not believe how beautiful these are until you see it. And you just need tiniest amount, see, this much. And I will apply it just right there. Did you see the magic? I am sure you did. So I apply it just here, right at the highest point, not everywhere, just here underneath my eyes, like that. And even from a very far angle, if you're looking at me, you will be able to see the dimension on my face. And after that, I will be taking this pinky shade, which is also quite shimmery, but it's like a very fine shimmer, and I will place it right on top of the blush and underneath that. See, this is a product worth getting your hands on. Trust me. I have never used like a pinky highlighter. I was never a fan of pinky highlight, but oh my goodness, see that. Just see. Even without doing anything to our eyes, our face just screams spring, doesn't it? Now, let me quickly fill in my eyebrows and I will be right back. Now for our eyes, I am going to be using this Huda Beauty Matte and Metal. This is such a one and done product. This is the shade VI Pink. So I'm going to be using the matte side first. I just love the convenience of using this. So you can use it like blend it with your hands, but I prefer to use a brush. So I'm taking the Mercury Retrograde palette. I think I will be using this shade, Hot Mess. And now for underneath my eyes, I will be using this shade called Off Balance. This cosmic shade from here. I'm going to be highlighting the inner corner of my eyes with this shade. Oh wow! Wow! You are like beaming. So pretty. I prefer to put my mascara first and then my eyeliner. So I will be curling my eyelashes first. So the mascara combo that I am going to be using today are these two. This is my Holy Grail Lash Sensational, the waterproof formula, and of course this Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift has brought out the waterproof formula, you guys. Oh, I was waiting for this. It is such a good mascara. What a difference mascaras can make. Now you see the difference. So let me finish the other eye and I will be right back because I take my own sweet time while applying my Falsies mascara. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Sephora. Oops, I am dropping everything today. This is the one. This is a waterproof one, and it has got a very fine tip, and I really like it to apply the eyeliner at the very corner of my eyes. So I will be glued to my mirror. I hope you can see it on camera what I'm doing. I just want to create a ring at a very corner of my eyes. Let me see if the camera still focuses on me. Now for my lips, I will be starting by filling them in with this Sephora lip liner in the shade Vintage Rosewood. These lip liners by Sephora are really creamy. I am going to be using this lipstick by Giorgio Armani. This is in the shade 502. How pretty is this bullet, you guys? This is the shade I want. You know, lipstick is not just a lipstick. Lipstick is a mood. So you gotta understand your mood and wear it. I like that, but I want to make it a little more neutral, so I will be using another shade in the same range. This is shade 501. I think the camera is not actually picking it up, but these two shades together, too good, too good. See, these ones, they are like magnetic. Pretty, isn't it? I don't know if you can hear the noise. This is the skydiving plane taking off. Let's wait for it to go. Yeah, it's gone. Now to finish the makeup off, I am going to be using my Urban Decay setting spray one more time. So this is our finished look, you guys. I mean, the eyes, the lips, the glowy face. I am loving this new foundation, which reminds me I forgot to put mascara on my lower lash. I told you I was completely out of practice of filming. And now we are done. Finally, I really like how the way the makeup has turned out. I really hope you have enjoyed, and this kind of makeup generally doesn't go wrong. You know what I mean? So I really hope you have enjoyed spending time with me today, and until next time.